Now in this video, we're going to look at how to make the conversion from grams of a substance to moles of that substance. And once again, we are going to show how much work you need to show to get full points for this kind of a problem, which means we're going to start by writing down the things we're looking for, or the unknown, at the end of the problem. And we're also going to list the information we know that's given to us in the problem. If the container holds 0.5 grams of water, how many moles of water are in the container? So the question is asking how many moles of water. So that's the unit, that's the information we want to come up with at the end of this problem. And at the beginning, we know we have 0.50 grams of water. So let's work this problem. We're going to start by doing dimensional analysis with this problem, and we're going to start with the thing we know, 0.50 grams of water. And we're going to use the unit multiplier that will help us change grams of water into moles of water, which means we're going to put this unit on the bottom right here, grams of H2O. And the new unit that we want to come out with at the end of the problem, we're going to put on the top where it won't cancel out. And we're going to have moles of H2O. So this unit and this unit will factor out because they're the same upstairs and downstairs. We also need numbers here to go with moles and grams. So in this particular case, we need to know the molar mass, the number of grams in 1 mole of water. So I'm going to think about that here with H2O. That has 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Now if I look up on the periodic table, hydrogen is a mass of 1.01. 2 times 1.01 is 2.02. And 1 oxygen, I look up oxygen on the periodic table, I see it's 16.00. 1 times 16.00 just adds up to 16. Now I add these together and I see the molar mass of water is 18.01. That is the number of grams of water in 1 mole of water. So that's the molar mass. That is the number I'm going to put up here, 18.01. Now I go to my calculator. Come on, calculator, we can do this. And I'm going to multiply anything that's on the top, so it'd be 0.5 times 1. Of course, that's just 0.5. And then I'm going to divide by 18.01, and that gives me 0.02776. And I am going to round this to 2 sig figs, so I'm going to round it to this place right here, 0.028. And the units that's left here is moles of water. So that is the answer to my question, how many moles of water are there in 0.5 grams of water?